this appeal by the Parliamentary Affairs Minister that we just heard coming in from Kiren Rijiju also comes at a crucial time where the opposition parties have already chalked out their agenda to take on the government on the floor of the parliament. Now they have been already pushing the narrative of vote chori and democracy khatre mein hai as they intend to raise it on the floor of the house, and historically debates around such themes have often spiraled into chaos that has led to complete whitewash and to repeated adjournments and walkouts as well. Now with the winter session of parliament, that mainly will hinge on the issue of how cooperative and constructions the debates and the discussions have, and the government making that appeal and urging the opposition to allow the House to function smoothly.
We want discussion on the SIR, which is an attack on democracy. We wanted a discussion on those vote chori things, which is where Election Commission has become an agent to the whole process itself. The whole process is only making people die now. BLOs are dying, suicides are happening, work pressure is in 12 states they are implementing this thing. Tamil Nadu is one of the states, Uttar Pradesh is one of the states where people are suffering in a big way. Then the Delhi blast is a very important internal issue. Internal security is an important issue. Delhi pollution is a very important thing. The country's capital is becoming the world's dangerous place to live.
सत्ता पक्ष भाजपा प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी, केंद्रीय गृह मंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में भारत की लोकतंत्र और संसदीय मर्यादा परंपरा को खत्म करने पर तुली है। आज शीतकालीन सत्र मात्र 19 दिनों के लिए, जिसमें से सिर्फ 15 दिनों के अंदर चर्चा हो सकती है, शायद सबसे छोटा ये शीतकालीन सत्र होगा।